To use the induction hob, please first ensure that it is turned on by the switch on the wall. This is indicated by the red light illuminated above the cooker switch. To turn on the power to the hob, press and hold this button here. This will illuminate all 4 rings, which correspond to the cooking rings on the hob. For example, if you'd like to use this ring here, you would press this circle. To start the power, you use the plus button, which will turn the hob to 9, which is the highest setting. To reduce it, use the minus arrow, and then to increase it again, you can use the plus arrow. Where you see a dot next to the number, this indicates a half setting. So for example, this would be 7.5. Please note that the hob will not work until a pan is placed on the ring. Once you've finished cooking, you can press and hold the power button again to turn the hob off. There is also a child safety lock built into the hob, which will prevent children from using it. To use this feature, you need to press and hold the key button shown here until a red light illuminates on the display, as shown. And then to unlock the cooker so that you can use it again, simply press and hold the same button again. Once the light has gone, this means that you are able to use the cooker again. Please also ensure that once you've finished cooking, you wipe the hob over with a soft cloth. Thank you.